and destroy hundreds of nests in a single raid. An eider duck has chosen to nest in the centre of the tern colony, hardly a tranquil place to raise your young. But the noisy neighbours have a feisty attitude to life, and that can be very valuable. Defensive squadrons of terns take off immediately. Sharp beaks stab down from above. The bear has nothing in his armoury that can cope with this. The terns have drawn blood from his muzzle. He leaves in search of an easier meal. The eiders survive thanks to their choice of neighbours.